Heavy rain, thunderstorms and even hail. An exceptional wave of bad weather hit Veneto, Treviso and its province in particular, despite the calendar. At work throughout the evening and night, the fire brigade teams, in all about 50 interventions, of the various detachments and the police patrols, who have regulated the traffic in the most critical areas. The historic center of Asolo was literally submerged by hail, which in some points exceeded 20 centimeters, and several cars got stuck. Hail and temperatures plunging down to 10 degrees. Thunderstorm and strong wind on Milan and the municipalities of the province. There were many requests for intervention from the fire brigade, especially in the Lombard capital. In the Kerbetta area, flooding and fallen trees have caused various inconveniences for citizens, traders and for the traffic, which was completely blocked during the storm. The storm alert will cover Milan and the lower Lombardy plain until Wednesday afternoon.